ISO 21100-2012, Guidance on Project Management Image. Seeing the place of ISO standards, ISO, International Organization for Standardization, develops international standards across industries. Examples: ISO 9001 Quality Management, ISO 27001 Information Security, ISO 14001 Environmental Management. ISO 21500 sits within this family. Its purpose: provide universal project management guidance, align terminology, support consistency across countries and industries. Key point: ISO 21500 is guidance, not a certification scheme. It doesn't tell you how to manage a project in detail. It tells you what areas must exist. Knowing what ISO 21500 covers: ISO 21500 defines project management concepts, describes process groups, identifies subject groups, knowledge areas, aligns closely with PMBOK concepts. It is intentionally high-level, non-prescriptive, framework-based. It's about global consistency. Understanding the structure of ISO 21500. ISO 21500 is structured around 5 process groups: 1 initiating, 2 planning, 3 implementing, 4 controlling, 5 closing. These describe when activities happen. 10 subject groups. These describe what is managed. The subject groups include integration, stakeholder, scope, resource, time, cost, risk, quality, procurement, communication. Process groups equals life cycle. Subject groups equals management areas. Getting into the subject areas, each subject area includes processes. For example, scope, define scope, create WBS, control scope, risk, identify risk, assess risk, treat risk, control risk, cost, estimate costs, develop budget, control costs. ISO doesn't prescribe detailed templates, it defines the territory. Drilling deeper into the processes, ISO 21500 describes 39 processes in the 2012 version. Each process includes inputs, outputs, purpose, relationship to other processes. It resembles PMBOK but is lighter. For example, risk identification process, inputs, project plan, assumptions, outputs, risk register. ISO describes what should exist, not the step-by-step method. Minding the gap. ISO 21500 is not a method. It doesn't provide governance structures, detailed roles, stage gate models, prescriptive documentation. That's where Prince2, PMBOK, MSP, Agile frameworks add detail. ISO is the umbrella. Methods are the tool. Boggling your mind just a bit. Here's the interesting part. ISO 21500 is designed to align project management across cultures, support international collaboration, integrate with ISO quality systems, provide organizational maturity benchmarks. It's part of a bigger system thinking approach: projects, programs, portfolios, quality, risk, governance, strategy, delivery, benefit. It sits quietly in the background of government frameworks, multinational corporations, large infrastructure programs. You rarely see ISO 21500 named loudly, but its influence is everywhere. Big picture reflection. ISO 21500 says, open quote, here are the core universal components of project management. Close quote, it doesn't tell you how to write a risk log, what a stage gate looks like, how to structure a board. It ensures consistency, alignment, terminology clarity, structural completeness.